So now welcome once again students, and today I will start the exercise 7.2. Here I have written the question number 1 of the exercise 7.2. In the question it is given that in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. It is isosceles triangle, so whatever the two sides are equal, that are AB and AC. The bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. Join A to O and then you need to prove these two things. So here in this question the diagram is not given, and if the diagram is not given, so according to the statement you need to draw the diagram. In the statement it is given that there is a triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. So draw a triangle ABC. So here I am going to draw a triangle ABC. Suppose that here it is a triangle ABC. It is given that AB equal to AC. AB and AC are equal. So I have drawn the diagram up to here. Now it is given that the bisectors of angle B and C. So here you need to draw the bisectors of angle B and C. That is the rough diagram, students. So you need to draw it with the help of scale. Here you need to draw a line. So it is going to bisect angle B, and you need to draw the bisector of angle C also. So here it is a line which is the bisector of angle C. Now in the question it is given that the bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. It means that are going to intersect each other at point O. That is intersection point O. Now join A to O. Now in the question it is given that after this you need to join A and O. So I had joined A to O. So according to the statement of the question I had drawn the diagram. Now you need to prove that OB equal to OC. You need to prove that OB equal to OC. That you need to prove, and you are also supposed to prove that AO bisect angle A, and you need to prove that AO bisect angle A. Means these two angles are equal. You need to prove. So here I am going to give the complete solution. First you will write given. In the given you will write in triangle ABC. AB equal to AC. It is given, and here BO and CO are bisector of angle B and C. Bisector means these two angles are equal and these two are also equal. So here you can write BO and CO are bisectors of angle B and angle C. It is given in the question. The bisectors of angle B and C intersect at O. It means BO and CO are the bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. Now to prove, what you have to prove? You need to prove that OB equal to OC. OB equal to OC, that is the first part, and second you need to prove that AO bisects angle A. Now I am going to give the proof. If you are going for the proof, here whatever the triangle was given initially, it was like that ABC. It was given that AB equal to AC. If AB and AC are equal, one theorem you have read that if in a triangle two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. It means angle B equal to angle C. So here I am going to use that. Here you will write in the proof in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. Then angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Here you are having that theorem. So here you can write it by theorem. You are having a theorem. So according to that, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Now if these two are equal, then their half will be also equal. So we can write, it shows that half of angle ABC equal to half of angle ACB. Two things are equal, then their half will be also equal. Half of angle ABC, half of angle ABC equal to angle OBC. Here BO is going to bisect angle ABC. It means this angle is half of angle ABC. So here we can write it shows that angle OBC equal to half of angle ACB equal to angle OCB. So here angle OCB. So here we had proved that angle OBC equal to angle OCB. Now in triangle OBC, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. It means their opposite sides will be equal. One converse theorem is there. According to that, if in a triangle two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. So here you will write in triangle OBC, angle OBC equal to angle OCB. It shows that, yeah, then you can write then OB equal to OC. Then OB equal to OC. Here you can give the region by theorem. Here you can write opposite sides of equal angles. So that is the region. So first part is proved. It is the first part. OB equal to OC, that is proved. So kindly note down that, and after that I will give the solution of the second part. So note down it, and after that I will give the complete explanation of the second part. Now friends, here I am going to prove the second part. In the second part you need to prove that AO bisect angle A. It means you need to prove that these two angles are equal. So if you are going to prove, if anyhow we are able to prove that these two triangles are congruent, then by simplicity these two angles will be equal. So here I am going to prove that. Students, here in these two triangles we have proved that OB equal to AC, that is proved here. So and these two angles will be also equal. So here I am going to first prove that. In the question it is given that angle ABC equal to angle ACB. It shows that half of angle ABC equal to half of angle ACB. Friends, if these two angles are equal, then their half will be equal. I had applied the same thing in the previous part also. So half of angle ABC, it can be also written as angle ABO. Half of angle ACB, that can be written as angle ACO. So it shows that angle ABO equal to angle ACO. Angle ABO equal to angle ACO. Now I am going to take the triangle. In triangle ABO and triangle ACO. I am going to take triangle ABO and triangle ACO. In both the triangle AB equal to AC, that is given in the question. So here you will write AB equal to AC, that is given. It is given in the question, AB equal to AC. Now angle ABO equal to angle ACO. Here I had proved that angle ABO equal to angle ACO. It is proved. So here one side, one angle, I had shown that equal, and BO equal to CO, या OB equal to AC, that is already proved. So here OB equal to OC, that is also proved in the first part. In the first part I had proved that OB equal to OC. So here these two sides are equal. So if in two triangles, two sides and included angle are equal, then both the triangles will be congruent. So it shows that triangle ABO congruent to triangle ACO. Triangle ABO congruent to triangle ACO. Which is the criteria used here? SAS criteria. That is by SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Students, if these two triangles are congruent, then by simplicity angle BAO equal to angle CAO. So it shows that angle BAO equal to angle CAO, that is by CPCT. If angle BAO equal to angle CAO, these two are equal. What is the means of this? It shows that AO bisect angle A. So it shows that AO bisects angle A, and it is proved. So it is the second part that is also proved. So kindly note down the complete solution of the question number 1. So now students, here I written the question number 2. It is given that in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Here the diagram is given for the triangle. For the question, that is a triangle ABC is given, and it is given that AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So first I am going to explain that what is the means of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means if AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC, it means AD is perpendicular, here it is 90 degree as well as here it is also 90 degree. It means it is perpendicular. One more word is used, that is bisector. Bisector means AD is going to bisect BC. Bisect means here BD and DC are equal. So AD is perpendicular bisector of BC, it means that BD equal to DC, and here this angle is 90 degrees. So it means that it is perpendicular bisector. Now you need to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. So if in triangle ABC, if you are able to prove that two sides are equal, then that triangle will be isosceles triangle. So here I am going to give the proof. So first you will start from given. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular, it is the symbol of perpendicular to BC, and BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. Perpendicular, one word is used perpendicular, and second is used bisector. It means that bisector means it is going to bisect that side BC, it means BD equal to CD. Now I am going to take the triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So to prove, first we will write to prove. What we have to prove? AB equal to AC. Yeah, you need to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now proof. I am going to take triangle ABC and triangle ACD. In triangle AB, D and triangle ACD. Why I am going to take these two triangles? If I am going to take these two triangles, and anyhow if we are able to prove that both are congruent. If both will be congruent, then by simplicity AB equal to AC. And if AB and AC are equal, then ABC will be an isosceles triangle. So here in triangle ABD and ACD, here you can find BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. In this triangle BD and in the second triangle CD, both are equal, and it is given in the question. It is given. Next, 90 degree, 90 degree. In this triangle angle ADB 90 degree, in the second triangle angle ADC is 90 degree. So here you can write angle ABD equal to angle, sorry, ADB, it should be ADB. Angle ADB equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree, each 90 degree. Now here you got two things are equal, and here AD is the side which is in the triangle ADB as well as triangle ACD. So here you can write AD equal to AD, that is common side. Common side. So here it is the common side for both the triangle. So by yes, two sides included angle, two sides included angle. So if it is equal, then both the triangles are congruent. So it shows that triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by SAS criteria. if both the triangles are congruent, then by CPCT you can write AB equal to AC. So here you can write, it shows that AB equal to AC, that is CPCT. Here it shows that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and it is proved. So this question is proved. That is the question number 2.